Use Home Care Services Honest Review. Watch before using. Finding reliable home care services for seniors or people with disabilities can be challenging, and most people get this wrong. They assume all providers offer the same level of care. Use Home Care promises professional and home support, but how effective is it? Use provides services like personal care, companion care, and specialized care for conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. The surprising truth is that their caregivers are trained and monitored with personalized care plans tailored to each client's needs. You won't believe the difference proper training makes in safety and comfort. Here's how it works. After an assessment, Use assigns caregivers based on the client's needs, schedule, and preferences. They provide medication reminders, meal prep, light housekeeping, and companionship. For example, a senior recovering from surgery might receive daily assistance with mobility and wound care while maintaining independence at home. Another advantage is accountability. Use tracks care delivery and provides regular reports to families. Most people assume home care is inconsistent, but structured programs improve reliability and peace of mind. However, there are considerations. Availability depends on location, and costs vary by service level and frequency. Some families may need to supplement services or adjust schedules. Most people expect full medical care at home, but Use focuses on supportive and personal care rather than clinical treatment. In conclusion, Use Home Care offers professional, reliable, and home care that helps clients maintain independence while ensuring safety and support. It's a strong choice for families seeking quality home care. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of home care services.